Hello.
How are you? We've been laughing. What have you been doing? Good to see you again.
Pizza contest again.
Good. I'm good.
Yeah, you must be hungry.
Did a boot camp.
Yeah, boot camp.
Let's just say I've worked up an appetite to finish a challenge. Yes.
We haven't eaten in like 2 hours. Right?
I had a good time. Shantae was like Miss Fitness, just running the whole show.
You look like Miss Fitness.
Oh, thank you. I'm sorry. So are you ready to finish our challenge?
Took a nap and I'm ready to go.
Really?
Yes.
All right, we'll see about that. So what'd you get for us?
Well, we have the Rudy Special, named after Rudy Malnati, who really invented the pizza back in, I think, in the 1940s.
Oh, wow.
And that's a plain cheese. And this is known for its butter crust, which is unique to Paisano. The original Rudy, Rudy's the son also, his wife still makes the crust.
Really?
The original Miss Malnati still comes in and she makes the crust at each of the restaurants.
How's the home theater feel? How was it?
Show was great.
Yeah.
On my toes, laughing.
Did we do you right?
Chicago just doesn't stop. It's so good. The crust is so buttery and
What kind of pizza would it look like? Roast beef dish?
Yeah, we did the stuffed and the nollies.
Stuffed.
Oh,
and the double decker. Yeah.
Double decker.
Sky high. It has a little bit of cheese and an extra dough in the middle.
Oh my
of the
God, that
pizza.
sounds amazing.
You cannot ever know how good it was unless you try it.
So who's the winner of all the pizza places?
That's hard.
I mean, we didn't even really touch the surface on all the pizza places here. They're all good.
I'm gonna say all of them.
Yeah?
Because I haven't gotten a slice of bad pizza yet.
Yeah. We do everything right here.
For this and more great pizza places, go to our website.
Wow!
Hey, Jake for you here.
He's got a little treat for
This
us.
is our Holly and Rudy chocolate
my
chip
God.
cookie.
Thank God, I was getting hungry.
That's right. This is a chocolate chip cookie dough baked in a pizza pan with vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, and chocolate syrup.
Oh my God,
And
that
4
sounds
calories
amazing.
is about calories down. Enjoy this, and I want to thank you very much for coming in today.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
It's been a pleasure.
Yeah, so great to meet you.
Thank you.
Before we dig in, I just want to say the people here have been so nice. You guys have been so gracious. And you know what? Chicago is my kind of town.
All right, well, let's spoon to that.
All right. Yay, now dig in.
Yeah.
Tonight, turkey